Welcome. If you want to customize camera watermark in your Nokia G20, at the first you have to open the settings, then scroll to the watermark. Of course you have to turn it on, then tap right here, and here we can change your personal message. So I'm going to type HardReset.Info and click OK to confirm. Here we are able to change theme of our watermark. I will set up, for example, this one, and then take photo. Take a look on the left bottom corner. As you can see right here, it changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.